Filing the consolidated GST return form online is a simple and easy process that can be done by following these steps. First, you need to visit the GST portal at www.gst.gov.in and log in with your credentials. Next, you need to obtain a 15-digit GST identification number (GSTN) based on your state code and PIN number. This number will be used to identify your business and transactions under GST. Then, you need to upload the relevant invoices on the GST portal or the software that you are using. An invoice reference number will be issued against each invoice that you upload. You need to keep track of these numbers for future reference. After uploading the invoices, you need to fill in the details of your outward supplies, inward supplies, tax liability, input tax credit, and payment of tax in the consolidated GST return form. The form will have different sections for different types of supplies and transactions. You need to fill in the correct information in each section and verify it before submitting. Once you have filled in all the details, you need to sign the return form digitally using your digital signature certificate, DSC, or electronic verification code, EVC. You can also preview the return form before signing it to check for any errors or discrepancies. Finally, you need to submit the return form online and pay the tax due using the electronic cash ledger or electronic credit ledger. You will receive an acknowledgement message on your registered email and mobile number after successful submission and payment. The due dates for filing the consolidated GST return form online vary depending on whether you are a monthly filer or a quarterly filer. The due dates are as follows. For monthly filers, the due date is the 20th of the following month. For example, if you are filing for January 2023, the due date is February 20th. For quarterly filers, the due date is the 18th of the month following the quarter. For example, if you are filing for October-December 2022 quarter, the due date is January 18th. If you fail to file the consolidated GST return form online by the due date, you will have to pay late fees and penalties for delayed filing. The late fees and penalties are as follows. For monthly filers, the late fee is Rs. 50 per day of delay Rs. 25 for CGST and Rs. 25 for SGST, subject to a maximum of Rs. 10,000 Rs. 5,000 for CGST and Rs. 5,000 for SGST. For quarterly filers, the late fee is Rs. 50 per day of delay Rs. 25 for CGST and Rs. 25 for SGST, subject to a maximum of Rs. 5,000 Rs. 2,500 for CGST and Rs. 2,500 for SGST. In addition to late fees, interest at 18% per annum will be charged on the unpaid tax amount from the due date till the date of payment. To avoid late fees and penalties, it is advisable to file the consolidated GST return form online on time and pay the tax due promptly.